Welcome back. This is Diego with All Drywall Paint. We are going to go through the second coat process. Right now we start with sanding, so we're going to wear a mask for this because we don't want to inhale the dust. The purpose with the sanding is to remove all the stuff that when we run over this with the second coat, this needs to be removed. So all the crusties, anything that isn't smooth. The next process after sanding, we got to box it out. So this is the 12-inch skim box that we use. You make sure it's nice and adjusted so you're not leaving too much mud. All you gotta do is just go for it. That's it, that's boxing out. Once we're done boxing out, we have to take that angle box here and we run these angles out on the second coat. Right here we got a 3-inch angle head. That's running angles, the angle box for the second coat. Okay, so next, once you run angles, we need to wipe them. Right there in the angle, you need to make that look nice and square. There goes. One down, the whole house to go. After running skims and angles and wiping them, we got touch up and nails. So touch up, we go right here, and we take off all these little things. All that much. So you can get right into it there. Right here, sometimes these, because of the framing, they come out humped. They're not flat, they're not straight. Just gotta spin them out a little bit. Once we're done with touch up, the last thing is spotting the nails. Once you're done with the top, you just drop off and same process. Same process. completes our second coat for the day. Thank you.